dance is called 1,000 years or more. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag, no restart. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a rumba box forward. Forward, touch, side, step. Back, touch, side, step. Section 1 again. Forward, touch, side, step. Back, touch, side, step. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, step forward on right, tap left behind right. Step forward, tap. Back, make a quarter to your right. Repeat again. Forward, tap. Back, make a quarter to the left. Section 2 again. Forward, tap. Back, quarter. Forward, tap. Back, quarter. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Cross toe strut. Toe strut. Toe strut. Jazz box quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, quarter, forward. Section 3 again. Cross toe strut. Toe strut. Cross, back, quarter, forward. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Cross toe strut, side toe strut, jazz box, no turn. Cross, back, side, forward. Last section. Cross toe strut, side toe strut, jazz box, cross, back, side, forward. Last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance. Wall 2 at 3 o'clock. Let me show you the whole dance. We count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,